students, welcome to Quick Learn tutorial series. In this video, I will explain you mode 0 of input-output operating mode of 8255. So before I discuss the input-output operating mode of 8255, I will give a brief introduction of 8255. In my previous video, I have already explained all about 8255, its introduction, pin diagram, block diagram, BSR mode. So please visit my previous video. So before I discuss operating mode of 8255, I will give a brief introduction of 8255. 8255 is basically a programmable peripheral interface chip that was designed or manufactured by Intel. 8255 is basically a general purpose programmable input output device that is designed to interface between the microprocessor and the input output device, just like analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, keyboard, printer, etc. So to enhance the interfacing capability, Intel designed a device that is called 8255 PPI. 8255 having 24 bidirectional input-output line. These 24 input-output line is divided into 3 groups or 3 port A, port B and port C. Each port having 8 bit, port A having 8 bit, port B and port C also having 8 bit. Port C is further divided into 2 parts, port C lower and port C upper. Port C lower having 4 bit and port C upper also having 4 bit. So these all ports are divided into 2 groups, group A and group B. Group A and B both having 12 bit. Group A include complete 8 bit of port A, that is port PA0 to PA7, and 4 bit of port C upper, that is PC4 to PC7. Same as it is, group B also having 12 bit, complete 8 bit of port B, that is PB0 to PB7, and 4 bit of port C lower, that is P0 to PC3. So in this way 8255 is divided into 2 groups, group A and B. Now these ports are work in input port or work as a output port is depend upon the mode of operation of 8255. So here I discuss the operating mode of 8255. 8255 basically work on 2 mode, BSR mode and input output mode. In my previous video, I have already explained the BSR mode, bit set or reset mode of 8255 in detail. So the link of that video I will give in my description box. Now the second mode of operation is input output mode. This input output mode is divided into 3 parts, mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2 according to their functionality. So in this video I will explain you mode 0. Because if I will explain all the 3 mode or complete input output mode in one video, this video is going too long. So I will split this video into 3 parts. In first part I will explain mode 0, second part of the video I will explain mode 1 and third part I will explain mode 2. So for all the input output mode of operation, please continue watching my all the videos. Now control word for operating mode of 8255. Actually first we know about what is control word. In 8255 there is an 8-bit register known as control register. This register is used to control the function of each part. The content of this register is known as control word. It having 8 bit D0 to D7. The most significant bit of control word, that is D7, decide in which mode 8255 is working. If this bit is 0, the 8255 work in BSR mode, it means bit set or reset mode. If this bit is 1, 8255 work in input output mode. As I have already told, input output mode is further divided into 3 parts, mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. Mode 0 is simple input output mode. Mode 1 is strobe input output mode or input output with handshake mode, and mode 2 is bidirectional data transfer mode. So in this video I will focus on mode 0 of 8255. Now control word for the input output mode. So this is the control word of input output mode. As I have already told, the most significant bit decide in which mode 8255 work. If 8255 work in BSR mode, the bit D7 bit is 0. If 8255 work in input output mode, D7 equal to 1. We study the input output mode control word. So this bit is 1. D6 or D5 pin. These two pin define port A mode selection. In which mode port A is working, mode 0, mode 1 or mode 2. If port A is working in mode 0, these two bits are 0 0. If port A work in mode 1, the combination is 0 1, and if port A work in mode 2, the combination is 1 cross. Next, D4 bit. D4 bit is used to define the input output function of port A. It means port A's work as an input port or port A's work as an output port is defined by D4 bit. If this bit is 0, port A is work as an output port. If this bit is 1, port A work as an input port. Next, D3 bit. D3 bit also define the input output function of PC upper port. If this bit is 0, PC upper work as an output port, and if this pin is 1, PC upper work as an input port. Next is D2 pin. D2 pin is used to define in which mode port B is working. If this bit is 0, port B is working in mode 0, and if this bit is 1, port B work in mode 1. Next is D1 pin. D1 pin is also used to define the input output functionality of port B. If this bit is 0, port B is work as an input port. If this bit is 1, port B work as an output port. Last is D0. D0 is used to define the input output functionality of port C lower. If this is 0, PLC, it means port C lower work as an output port. If this pin is 1, port C lower work as an input port. So in this way, all the pin define the functionality of all the ports. So in this video, I will explain you mode 0 of input output mode. Mode 0 is basically a simple or basic IO mode. In this mode, all the port, that is port A, port B and port C, provide simple input output operations separately. Or we can say that in this mode, all the port A, port B and port C can be used as input or output mode. In this mode, output are latched but input are not latched. This mode having interrupt handling capability. All the port can be programmed separately as an input port or as an output port. Now, here with the help of example, I will explain you how we write a control word for mode 0. This example is very important in university exam point of view or the competitive exam point of view. The question is, write a control word for making port B and port C lower as a output port and port A and port C upper as a input port and 8255 work in mode 0. Once again, I will read the example. Write a control word for making port B and port C lower as a output port and port A and port C upper as a input port and 8255 work in mode 0. So the solution of the example is, I have already told, 8255 control word having 8 bit D0 to D7 and the most significant bit, that is D7, define in which mode 8255 is working. If 8255 work in BSR mode, this bit is 0. If 8255 work in input output mode, this bit is 1. As mentioned in example, 8255 work in mode 0. It means it is work in input output mode. So D7 bit is 1. Now D6 or D5 number bit. These bit combination define in which mode port A is working. So here given in the example, 8255 work in mode 0. It means these two bit are 0 0. Next, D4 number bit. D4 number bit define the input-output function of port A. It means port A is work as an input port or work as an output port. So, given in the example, port A as a input port. So, this bit is 1. Now D3 bit. D3 bit define the input-output functionality of the port C upper. It means port C upper work as a input port or work as a output port. So here given the example, port C upper work as a input port. So this bit is also 1. Next is D2. D2 define the mode selection pin of port B. It means which mode port B is working. This bit is 0 for mode 0 or 1 for mode 1. So port B work in mode 0 because 8255 is working in mode 0. So this bit is also 0. Next, D1 pin. D1 pin define the input-output functionality of port B. Port B is work as an input port or port B is work as an output port. So here port B is work as an output port. So this pin is 0. Next and last least significant bit D0 bit define the input output functionality of the port C lower. Port C lower work as an output port or input port. So port C lower is work as an output port mentioned in the example. So here this pin is also 0. When we combine this control word, so this control word is 100 110 00. If we write this control word in hexadecimal form, so it is 98H. This is the control word of 8255 mode 0. So this type of example asked in competitive exam as well as the university examination. I hope this video help you. Thank you for watching my video. For more video, continuously watching my microprocessor and microcontroller series. In my next video or coming video, I will explain you mode 1 and mode 2 of input-output operating mode of 8255. If you are the Hindi viewer of this channel, I will explain the Hindi version of this topic tomorrow.